Hey superstars! Welcome to the Smart Kids Save Money mini course, where we learn how to be money smart, life smart, and future ready. Hey smart saver! Welcome back to Smart Kids Save Money.
Today, we're diving into something super important. Needs versus wants. Let's go!
Money is awesome, but do you know how to spend it wisely? That starts by knowing the difference between what you need and what you want.
What are needs?
Needs are things we must have to live, like food, clothes, a home, and even school supplies. Like, I need a sandwich to stay strong and grow. But do I need a chocolate fountain in my room? Nope.
What are wants?
Wants are fun extras. They make life exciting, but you can live just fine without them. Like, I want the latest game, but I don't need it to be happy or healthy. Alright, smart saver, let's play need or want. I'll show you something, and you shout out if it's a need or a want. Let's go.
Is this a need or a want? Is this a need or a want?
Great job. Remember, you can have both needs and wants, but you gotta be smart about which comes first. When you get money, think, have I saved for my needs first? Can I treat myself with a want later? Here's a fun challenge. Grab a paper and write 2 lists. 3 needs you use every day. 2 wants you'd love to have.
I'll go first. Under needs I have apple, water, school books. Under wants I have toy, skateboard. What's on your list?
When you understand the difference between needs and wants, you become a money superhero. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your awesome friends.